Hey everyone, today is my second day for English learning and speaking loudly. And today topic is nuclear weapons. So let's start. Nuclear weapons or atomic bombs are the outcome of nuclear fusion and nuclear fusion reaction. The first experiment on hydrogen bomb took place in earlier 1930s by the means that took place in Hiroshima and Nagasaki. The United Nations organization was founded with the intention of preserve peace of common brotherhood in the world. The main objective of the UNO in the stop the wars between the nation and nuclear department. Recently, North Korea declared that they are conducting experiments on nuclear weapons and revealed the number of nuclear missiles and weapons they have. Their moves seemed a call to the war with the United States of America. The American president passed the declaration about financial restrictions to the imposed on North Korea if they move further with the experiment on nuclear weapons. Nuclear weapons created great havoc of humankind in the past and are still a mean to the world. The first nuclear weapon, atomic bomb, caused the parcel impact on Hiroshima and Nagasaki, the small town in Japan, and a district impact that instead of decades after the panel of Hiroshima and Nagasaki, most of the nations around the world voluntarily renounced the production and use of nuclear weapons. Some of the nations that agree that they possess nuclear weapons are United States of America, India, Pakistan, China, and North Korea. The number of weapons testing recently took place in North Korea and become the bone of contaminate around the world. North Korea agreed to held the experiment related to nuclear weapons. The temporary grounds, but still the world is worried about the outbreak of another world war by the urgent move of North Korea. Last year, the chief of NATO military James Stavridis predicted that these was 10% change of the United States to enter the nuclear conflict with North Korea. In the Indian scenario, the government declared that they conducted experiment on nuclear weapons with a mission to establish peace in the world in 1974. The mission was cancelled as Smiling Buddha at that time. During the 1917, the United States promoted to study and experiment on nuclear weapons under the mask of study of physics and preceded the opponent Russia. The Soviet Union then, however, the trustee of non-proliferation come to existence of support nuclear disappointment. Indian denied the treaty on account of argument movies of neighbors Pakistan and China. According to the statistics, United States of America, Russia, China, India, Pakistan, France, United Kingdom, and North Korea agree about the possession of nuclear arms. Israel is supported to have nuclear weapons, but disagree about the statistics addressing to the norms of internal security. Internal security report reveal that 20 nuclear weapons are detonated around the world as part of experiment, and 10% of electricity in the United States of America was produced from the disarmament atomic bomb during the Russia warfare until 2013. According to the Stockholm University, nine nation produces and total of 16,300 nuclear weapons currently. Belgium, Italy, Germany, and Netherlands and Turkey share nuclear weapons with the USA. These nations are cancelled nuclear weapon hosting nation. Nuclear weapons hosting means the countries cannot detonate the nuclear weapons without the issue of the social special security code by the United States of America. Germany conducted nuclear explosive experiment to their own earlier, but renounced the process later. Another shocking fact in the founding of experimenting with nuclear explosive in the United States of America does not come the United States Department of Defense, but from Department of Energy. A survey by Dr. Liu is in 1961 on chemical content on baby teeth revealed that nuclear explosive tests have to worse impact on the growth of teeth and bones on newborn babies, and leave hazardous result of pregnant women. With these results, most of the nation decided to restrict the nuclear intensity and magnitude of nuclear weapons experiment. Sources prove that the documents showing Iraq conducting nuclear tests and process nuclear arms are fake ones, and the culprit is still absconding. These facts show with impact nuclear explosive leave on future generation physically, mentally, and emotionally. The government of United States of America still pays comprehension to survivors of Bikini Atoll after their nuclear experiment there. This is an instance that reveals that prelude effects of nuclear weapons on mankind. The nuclear weapons created on defending a nation may lead to the destruction of the entire world. The UNO is working on prevention of use and production of nuclear weapons, but most of the nation need to accept the treaty for nuclear department till date. Thank you. And this is my English reading practice. So how you feel this practice? Please suggest me, and मेरी कोई इसमें कोई गलती हो गई हो सब मेरी कोई इसमें गलती मतलब सब वर्ड में या किसी उसमें तो माफ़ करना, सॉरी फॉर, बट थैंक यू।